Hey mommies, are you looking for some budget-friendly meals for the summer? Here's a breakfast, snack, and a dinner idea for you and your family. Let's get started. So for breakfast, I made the kids some sausage, peppers, and onions. It's pretty simple, very straight to the point, and very affordable. Basically, you just cut your sausage down and then you slice it halfway so that you can get the most out of your sausage. I love a good stretch meal. My younger kids do not really like eggs, so at the end of this video, you're going to see me plating some eggs, and that's for my oldest child. I also like to add fruit to some of their breakfast just to make it more fuller and get the most nutrients. Moving on to our snack plate. Listen here, I love me a good snack plate because you can actually use this as a lunch plate because it's so fulfilling. I've taken the liberty and adding the ingredients to the screen so that you can screenshot the video or write down the ingredients on your own time. So this snack plate is definitely like a straightforward plate. It's easy to make. Most times we have these ingredients in our refrigerator and we just fail to realize it. And you guys, this snack plate doesn't work just for snacks. I said it earlier in the video. If your children loves vegetables and fruit like mine does, I would advise you guys to take advantage of that. This plate will hold the kids off for about 3 to 4 hours, making you time to actually make dinner without them being in your face. If you'd like to elevate this to an actual lunch plate, you can make the kids a sandwich and then take away some of the fruit, vegetable, and the cheese so that they don't eat too much, or you can just add some meat to the actual snack plate. What I love the most about this snack plate is that the kids are eating organically. They're eating whole foods. They're eating fruit, vegetables that came from underground. They're not getting something that was completely sprayed on, fried, dyed, laid to the side, or baked. Now, granted, the toasted brand crackers were fried, I believe, or they were baked. And yet the plate is still healthy, it's delicious, it's nutritious, and the kids are going to be happy with it. I'm the mother that likes to make homemade snacks as well as buy the snacks from the grocery store, so trust me, this is not a judgment zone. Anywho, as I finish this video, I'm just gonna let the music play. I'll see y'all soon. And there you have it, mamas, a homemade fruit snack that your kids are going to enjoy. Okay, let's move over to the dinner. So for dinner, I made the kids spaghetti, but using rotini pasta, nothing special. I forgot to film the content. I'm sorry, y'all. But if you want a real video, let me know in the comments. Okay, love you guys. Talk to you soon. Peace out.